Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll discuss about how to create community edition of Databricks. Go to the browser and search for Databricks community edition login, and then click on the first result, community.cloud.databricks.com, and you will get a login page. Click on sign up, not login, and click on the sign up and provide your details in this page: first name, last name, email address, the company and title, and then click on continue. So you will be redirecting to this page. Don't select any cloud provider. They will provide a free trial version for 14 days. Don't just click on it, and here you will have uh, community edition. Click on it, just click on it, community edition, and it will ask for a verification. Once the verification is done, you are good to go with creating Databricks communication. So they will send a verification mail. You just need to verify your mail address. Once you click on this, now you need to reset your password. Once you have done with this step, it will redirect to the community edition of Databricks page, and then you are good to use a Databricks community edition for free. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my videos. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.